We got this deal, guys. We got the M18 18-volt line brushless cordless hammer drill impact driver Gen 3 with the cutoff saw. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we could buy more tools and make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. Big shout out to Joe, the tool guy. Make sure you guys check out his channel. That he's the one that posted this first, so I will give credit to him. Yeah, this is something just different, something that we don't see all the time. I do have the saw. It's this saw and the impact driver drill driver Gen 3 with 2 batteries in a case and a charger. It's for $8.99. But the thing is that if you hack it, or if you pretty much get the free tool, this comes down to about $700 and something. So that's a killer deal for this thing. This thing by itself is like $600, so you're getting that for like $100 pretty much. So let's see here. You got your. I'm gonna see if I can link the link down below, or otherwise you can search by the model number or the internet number. But I'll see if I can link this link down below. So you got the M18 fuel brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo tool cut with the cutoff saw, and then you get 2 batteries. And like I said, all right. So let's get the buy one get one free. Let's see here. It has to be here somewhere. You got the free gift with purchase. So obviously you're going to choose the most expensive one because there's a lot of them here. Well, not a lot, but there's. We're going to choose the battery. This is the most expensive thing. Add both to cart. All right, you're seeing here you're getting this for $771. That is a killer smoking deal. I have this thing. If you guys want to see that big saw, the cutoff saw in action, I'll see if I can link the link down up above here for you guys. On the little description section up here on the right hand corner, and or at the description section of this video, so you guys can see this thing in action. This thing is a beast. However, if you guys have small batteries, planning buying some 12s, you don't want to run this with a 6 or an 8 or a 5. This thing will eat batteries like crazy. A 6 amp hour battery will last like a minute. That's it. That's how much you need. At least, I would say, at least 2 or 3 12s to run this big giant saw. So like I said, if you want to see it in action, make sure you guys check out my video. I do have it. I still have it with me. I've used it a few times already around the house. I used it to cut a slab so I could replace some drain pipes. So make sure you guys check it out. Anyways, this is the deal. So let's go to the cart and look at the total. All right, here's the total. Let's take this off. All right, so the total is $8.99, and the price of this kit. So if you return the battery, you're gonna get this for $771. That's a killer smoking deal. I got this for like $600 by itself, without any batteries. So that's a killer deal. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.